Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, 2025. I'm here at Ortega River Marina, and this is an after video of Till You Cant. Before I show you under the boat, I'm going to go ahead and name off all your zincs. You have 6 TD20s for your hydraulic boat lift. You have 1 R3 for the stern thruster bracket. You have 1 R5 for your rudder. You have 1 size CDE spur zinc for your line cutter. And you have 2 1 3/4 inch shaft zincs. I double checked your bow thruster. It does not appear that your bow thruster takes a zinc, but I am going to make sure to get that on video just to double check. And let's go ahead and take a look. I also forgot to mention, you do have a transom zinc on the back right by your stern thruster, and we'll take a look at that.